Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Ask Dr. Graf. Now today we're at Union Square Park, and in just about an hour or so this place is going to be loaded with kids having fun playing on swing sets and jungle gyms. Now today is a little bit cloudy out, but I want to talk to you about how you're going to protect your child even on a cloudy day like today. Because, believe it or not, we're getting just as much of the sun's rays as we would as if it were sunny. So don't be fooled. So here are the rules. What you need to do is a half hour before going out, put a high SPF. This time of year, I would put a 30 and over, all over your child. Don't miss a spot. And then make sure that you wait a half hour before going out to the park, because that's how long it takes before it becomes protective. Every 2 hours, you want to reapply, so you can use a spray, but make sure that even on a day like today, you're using sun protection. Now, I just want to remind everyone, the strongest hours of sun are between 10 a.m. in the morning and 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So that's when you really have to maximize the protection. But a question that always comes up to me is, Dr. Graf, I have a newborn, what should I do? Because every sunblock says, don't use it under 6 months. So I want to give you the latest, and the latest is the American Academy of Pediatrics, as well as the American Academy of Pediatric Dermatology, suggest using sunblock on children under the age of 6 months. My suggestion is you use a sunblock that contains titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Those are not chemicals, so those are not going to be absorbed into your child's skin. Think about it this way. When I was growing up, we used zinc oxide paste in the diaper area, so it's not so bad. The other thing that's really great is these new sun protective clothing. Look at this. You can put your baby's stretchy on. This is treated with an SPF of 50. Now, mind you, most clothing, if you wear a white t-shirt, that's going to give you an SPF of about 5. A dark t-shirt will be about an SPF of 9. So these specially treated clothes have an SPF of 50. And you can order them online. Also keep a hat on the baby. And look at these sunglasses, aren't they cute? And a word about summer school, nursery school, camp. Make sure that you speak to your child's camp counselors, camp nurses, school teachers. Make sure that they understand that your children absolutely have to reapply their sunblock. Let's remember, sun damage starts when you're young, and as soon as you start exposure, it accumulates throughout your lifetime. So for the best skin ever as you get older, start protection young. And the maximum way to protect your child is the way we've talked about. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.